Welcome to our guide on how to create a Discord account on your Android device. Let's get started. First of all, open the Discord app on your device. On the welcome screen, tap on Register button to create a new account. Here you'll have two options between your phone number and your email address. Here I'm going to choose email address. Enter your email address in the provided field and tap on Next. Next, you'll have to create a unique username for your Discord account. Here I'm going to choose Take Basis. After that, you'll have to create a strong password to secure your account. After creating your password, tap on Next and choose the date of birth. After choosing your date of birth, tap on Create an Account and the Discord app will ask you for verification. Click on Confirm. Now the Discord app is trying to verify if you are human or not. So it has asked me to click on entity similar to the following pattern, which is a burger. So I'm going to click on these two and tap on Verify. Congratulations, you have successfully created a Discord account on your Android device. That's it for our guide on how to create a Discord account on your Android. Now you can start chatting with friends, join communities, and explore all the Discord has to offer. Thanks for watching.